name is Tisha and welcome to Tisha Box. I'm going to show you how to make coffee in microwave. Let me show you what we need for the coffee. Coffee cup, milk, coffee powder, sugar and microwave. Let's start preparing coffee. Put the milk in the cup on the microwave. Let's put the cup in the microwave. Select your timer and let's go. Let's wait for 2 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take the cup out of the microwave and let's put 2 teaspoons of coffee powder, 2 spoons of coffee powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir very well until it mixed. Let's keep it again for 1 minute. Coffee's ready. It smells really good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.